starting this style on freshly washed hair. I've already divided my hair into 4 workable sections. Starting with the back, I saturate my hair with water, then take a small section of hair, apply my flaxseed and castor oil Eco Styler gel to the section, smooth it through the hair, and then just twirl the hair around my finger. And all I'm going to do is just repeat this step over and over again. For watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.